Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Markets Update. We're still having a red week in the crypto markets today. Some altcoins are still giving us huge signs that we're pumping to the upside. HBAR is up 13% in the last 1 week. XLM and XRP are still holding strong. XRP and XLM are up over 20%. Casper is up 73% in the last 1 week. Bitcoin is still trading above $27,000. Bitcoin has been trading from as high as $29,000 to as low as $26,700. Where are we heading in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are we going to finally see Bitcoin cross the $30,000 region for the first time in 2023? We're also going to be looking at news stories happening in the crypto world. They're still grading the crypto market. Are we going to see alt season? We'll take a look at the altcoin season index right now. It tells us it's Bitcoin month. When will altcoin months come and how high can altcoins pump to the moon? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. And if you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, we have been seeing Bitcoin outperform the rest of the altcoin markets in the last few weeks. Right now, Bitcoin is still trading above $27,000. There's still a lot of greed in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of people are still sitting on the sidelines waiting to see where Bitcoin will head in the coming days and in the coming weeks. A lot of people are postulating that Bitcoin will start dumping to Goblin Town as the relief rally has come to an end. I actually thought the rally would have come to an end right here at $25,000, but as Bitcoin held this $19,600 support, it just showed us that maybe, just maybe, Bitcoin is ready to pump to $30,000 for the first time in 2023. We have all seen Bitcoin rally from as low as $15,500, getting to as high as over $27,000. If Bitcoin gets to $30,000 in the coming days and the coming weeks, we might see the altcoin market swiftly just start pumping to the upside very aggressively. News stories happening in the crypto world. Elon Musk slams heavy-handed Fed as ex-BitMEX CEO sees $1 million BTC price. Bitcoin-friendly Musk is no fan of the Fed inflation policy. He reveals as Otto Hayes says U.S. economic decisions are sending BTC price on the path towards $1 million. That $1 million mark has been going around the cryptocurrency market. People are expecting to see Bitcoin pump that high in the coming days and the coming weeks. Bitcoin profits are taxable in certain cases, said Denmark's Supreme Court. The country's Supreme Court released 2 decisions for cases in which different crypto users gain profit from sales of BTC made for the purpose of speculation and mining. And if you take a look at the king of all coins in the market, Ethereum, sitting around $1,791. Ethereum is still waiting on Bitcoin to show us the way. Are we going to see Ethereum rally towards $2,000 for the first time since August of 2022? Or are we going to see Ethereum dump to Goblin Town heading below $1,000? The lowest we have seen Ethereum go to in this bear market has been that $890 region where we got to in June of 2022. A lot of people are still postulating we'll still head to that lows. Guys, if Bitcoin doesn't continue pumping to higher prices, if we see Bitcoin suddenly start dumping to Goblin Town, maybe going below $20,000 on a longer time frame, since we're still in the bear market, Ethereum might even come to as low as the $886 region. Very possible, so be careful out there. There's greed in the cryptocurrency markets right now. A lot of people on the sidelines waiting to get in. A lot of people didn't accumulate. When we're down in Goblin Town in November, when we saw Bitcoin trading around $15,000, when we saw Ethereum trading around $1,000. Right now, there's still greed in the market, and anytime there's greed, a lot of people in the market are willing to start gambling on Bitcoins. They are willing to start gambling on altcoins. FTX EU launches withdrawal website to pay back European users. FTX EU was only approved by Cyprus regulators in March of 2022, about 7 months before FTX collapsed in November. Crypto wallet provider Ledger raises $109 million as demand for self-custody was sourced. The funding is the first of 3 rounds for the hardware wallet provider, whose success has been funded by growing awareness of crypto self-custody. And CT says trillions in assets could be tokenized by 2030. The firm predicts the private equity market to become the most tokenized asset class because it has more liquidity and can be more fractionalized. Avalanche launches mentoring initiative. People open massive new studio. The Avalanche Foundation has launched a new mentoring initiative for digital assets, and Ticketmaster has introduced a new feature allowing artists to reward NFT holders. If you take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization in the market in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is still at number 1. In the last 7 days, XRP has been among the top gainers in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. XRP is up 23% in the last 7 days, and Solana is conveniently back at number 10, shooting down BUSD back to number 11. Solana has a market cap of over $7.8 billion. Russia talks up prospects of BRICS country developing new currency. A top Russian official has reportedly claimed that the countries of Brexit alliance, that's Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, are working on creating their own currency. Interesting. Genesis lost Hashi Bridge aggregator to help prevent hack. Bridge Protocol Layer 0, Seller, Wormhole, and Li-Fi and others have already committed to implementing the new protocol. Liquidations are still rising. More than 27,000 traders have been liquidated in the last 24 hours. The largest liquidation happened on OKX. One trader was liquidated for over $1.1 million. An Australian Big Four bank, ANZ, halts cash withdrawal from many branches. The move comes as Australia continue to reduce their usage of cash, and bank branches have sparked fears that death of cash is near. Do you guys think the death of cash is near, or is this just all gearing up for governments to introduce CBDC around the world? Terra co-founder Dequan jail time in Montenegro will be harsh. Now in custody, Dequan could be facing at least a year behind bars as the country considers extradition requests, according to one of the criminal defense lawyers. Center for AI Success accuses GPT creator of violating trade laws. The group believes GPT-4 violates Section 5 of Federal Trade Commission Act, which prohibits unfair or deceptive acts or practices in or affecting commerce. Interesting to see, will AI take over the world? The CFTC is already coming for OpenAI, and we're hearing the United States Federal Trade Commission in an attempt to halt the release of powerful AI systems to customers. And if you take a look at the total crypto market cap, we're still above $1 trillion, still trading around the $1.13 trillion level, whereas not still blasted above that August 2022 price region where we saw us get to as high as $1.17 trillion. Maybe over the weekend, we'll conveniently, happily, for the first time since May of 2022, pumped to as high as the $1.3 billion level, but that will depend on Bitcoin heading towards $30,000 or heading back towards $25,000. Dual treasuries top $25 billion for the first time. Assets held in dual treasuries have more than doubled since the beginning of 2023. And polls suggest Warren Elizabeth's anti-crypto army won't pay off. Elizabeth Warren has long been a crypto critic and appears to be making it a focus as her re-election bids kick off. If you take a look at the top gainers and the top losers in the cryptocurrency market, in the gainer section, we have Hedera HBAR currently up 8% in the last 24 hours. XLM Stellar is up 2%, Casper is up 2%, EOS and Zcash are up over 1% in the last 24 hours. If you take a look at Flare is down 6% in the last 24 hours. In the loser section, we also have Nixo, Stacks, Render Token, and Neo. If you take a look at the altcoin market, currently, altcoin market cap is around $380 billion. We are still short of the $450 billion level we got to in August of 2022. We might see the altcoin market rally back to that $450 billion level in the coming days and the coming weeks. That will mean we might see altcoins pumping to higher prices, because the altcoin season index is telling us it's Bitcoin month, and anytime it has been Bitcoin month has been a good time to accumulate altcoins. So in the coming days and the coming weeks, Bitcoin rally might be coming to an end as altcoins might take over, and we'll see the market heading towards an altcoin month. OCC new Office of Financial Technology has a director and an opening date. The OCC is replacing the Office of Innovation with a new body that will help it stay on top of fintech development and emerging risks. The UK government announced robust crypto regulations as part of economic crime plan. The focus on cryptocurrency regulations was part of the UK government plan to fight economic crimes, which also include addressing law enforcement's ability to seize and store crypto assets. The government of the United Kingdom has laid out plans to step up regulation of crypto assets in its effort to respond to economic crime in the country. And Japan plans to form expert panel to explore digital yen. The ministry panel will reportedly focus on developing a framework for central bank digital currency based on technical studies carried out by the Bank of Japan over the past 2 years. And Crypto Unicorn Index telling us we have over 52 projects with a market cap of over $1 billion. If we see altcoin season happen in the coming days and in the coming weeks, maybe we'll see at least 60 projects in the coming days and in the coming weeks. The last time we saw 60 projects having more than $1 billion of market cap was in May of 2022. And Kraken aims to restrict dealers' registration in Canada to comply with new rules. In February, Canadian security administrators announced enhanced investment protection for crypto assets traders, and cryptocurrency exchange Kraken have filed a pre-registration undertaking with the Ontario Security Commission in Canada, restricting dealer status. United States-based Kraken is already active in Canada and is acting to comply with the new guidance. Sir Fry pleads not guilty to bribery charges from superseding indictment. The former FTX CEO legal team argued that although SBF has entered a non-guilty plea, he did not acknowledge the new charges, which include bribing a Chinese government official. Our quote of the day: investing puts money to work. The only reason to save money is to invest it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.